art friends, and welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Keroppi as Freddy Krueger. First, let's get started with the hat. So on the top right hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then back in on the right. Let's move underneath now and draw in the eyes first. So on the right hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big half circle. We're going to curve this line all the way around and then back up on the right. We'll move over on the left hand side now, starting on the inside again, and we're going to curve this line all the way around, and we're going to bring this all the way in towards the top left. Underneath now, let's draw in another half circle for our right eye, and then moving in towards the top corner, again we're going to draw in another half circle, closing that off. Now for the left eye, we're going to move over and we're going to draw in a nice big circle for the pupil of the eye. And then on the top right hand corner, we're going to draw in another circle for the highlight. For the rest of the hat now, on the top, we're going to curve this line up and then in. And then starting from this line again, we're going to continue to curve this down and across towards the right. On the top now, we're going to draw in a small curved line, arching that across. And then we'll do the same thing on the right from this corner, bringing that up so it ends at the same height on a diagonal. Now from the top left, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then starting on this corner, we're going to curve this line around and then up. From this point now, we're going to arch this line around and then down. And now moving up, we're going to curve this line around and then over. Now from here, let's draw in the rest of the face. So coming down underneath our left eye, we're going to draw in a small circle for the cheek. And then we'll do the same thing as we move over on the right hand side. Now from here, let's draw on the side of the cheek. So we're going to arch this line around and then in on both sides. Let's close off the middle now. So we're going to draw in a small curved line from left to right. We'll draw in a triangle on the right and left hand side. Moving beside that, let's replicate that again. And then again one more time as we move all the way out towards the side, bringing that line further across. Now from here, we're going to draw in a curved line that comes down on a diagonal on both sides. And then leaving a small gap, we're going to curve this line out on both sides, closing off the side of the shirt. For the mouth now, we're going to draw in a curved diagonal line on each side that comes down towards the top of our shirt. For the arms, we're going to curve this line across on both sides. From here, we're going to draw in a zigzag pattern as we come all the way down towards the side of our torso. Now underneath, we're going to curve this line in on both sides. Again, we're going to arch this line out, back in. And then we're going to draw in that zigzag pattern again as we come all the way over towards the right, closing off the bottom of the shirt. On the top now, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then on the bottom, we'll do the same thing, leaving a gap in the middle. Now on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line up. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. Now let's draw in the legs. So in the middle, we're going to draw in a small arch line. And then we'll draw a straight line that comes down in the center. To the right, we're going to curve this line out. And then we'll do the same thing as we move over on the left. Now from here, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes up towards the top. On the inside for the foot, we're going to curve this line out. Stepping beside that, we're going to curve this line over again. And then again, one more time, we're just going to curve this line around and then in towards the top. Now let's draw on the right hand. So we're going to, for the thumb, curve this line down. And then from this point, we're gonna arch this line around and then back in. Now let's draw in our left hand. So coming over on the left-hand side for the thumb again, we're gonna curve this line down. And then again from this point, we're gonna arch this line around and then up. In the middle, we're gonna curve this line down and then stepping across, we'll replicate that. Now from here, we're going to draw in a straight line across. And then from that point, we're just gonna draw in a diagonal line that comes down. Now for the blades, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out. And then from that point, we're just going to again bring this line back in towards the top. In the center again, we're going to draw in another diagonal line that comes down. And then from that point, we'll bring in this line towards the top of our hand. Moving down one more time, we're going to draw in another diagonal line that comes down. And then from that point, we're going to bring this line all the way in. And that is it. That's how you draw Keroppi as Freddy Krueger. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.